All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you some pretty nifty shortcuts. So I'm going to start by doing an option drag to copy this. So you see my cursor here has a little square, the bounding box, but if I hit option, hold it down, now I have this stacked cursor. See that changing? Indicating it's going to copy. So if I hold option and click and drag, now I've copied it. Pretty cool. And if you do it, I'm going to hit delete. And if I hold shift while I do it, so option and shift, it keeps it in a straight line or 45 degrees or 90, horizontal 90 degrees. So you can't move it around. If I let go, you can't move it outside of a straight line. If I move it, if I let go of shift, I'm back to just free. So it still copies it. So again, option, click, drag, and you've copied something. The next thing we're going to do is a repeat transformation. This is pretty cool. So I'm going to do the same thing. This time I'm just going to scale this down. I'm going to go up here, click, and hit Command D. Boom. Now we've scaled, we did the same transformation. So if I did the same thing again, you can do this with, say you need a bunch of circles spread out or something like that. Boom. And we're going to hit Command D. And I'm going to do it to this one, Command D. So it shrunk all of those to the same as it did the first one. Pretty sweet. And yeah, holding shift to scale proportionally, just like I was moving up and down and left and right. So hold shift, you scale proportionally, let go, you don't. And let's go to direct selection. So this is a selection tool, and I've got the black arrow up there, the filled in one. And in the one to the right of it, this is called the direct selection tool. So I'm going to get that, and you just hit A on your keyboard. So regular selection selects the whole thing, and you can just move around like normal. You can scale up here, but direct selection doesn't. It's just selecting pieces. And what it really is selecting is these paths, these little guys. So you can, connect, you can select one of those, or this would be like a pretty real use scenario. Say I wanted to extend this. I'm going to get the whole screw there, and then all this, just these nodes, and now I can bring it out. See that? I'm bringing it out. Couldn't do that if I was just using the selection tool. So that's pretty cool. Boom, boom. So that's direct selection versus selection. And now I'm going to show you another a cool trick here. I'm going to draw a circle, but let's say I'm drawing a circle, also holding shift to make it perfectly circle. If not, you can make it an oval or whatever. So I'm holding shift, but now I'm going to hit spacebar. And I'm moving it. See that? I'm still drawing it though. I'm going to let go of the spacebar and I'm still back to drawing it. So I can move, draw, move, draw. So maybe you're trying to inch it down in here or something. So you can hit space, right? And I've just about got it. I'm going to let go. There we go. Something like that, but you get my drift. So you can move around while you're drawing by just holding space while you're drawing something. That's pretty cool. And then I also wanted to show you this little nifty trick. If you're in your artwork, and you're in there, you say you've got your direct selection tool and you're editing something and you're in here and you're trying to do something with a screw and your stuff's in the way, you can simply hit tab and all your tools just kind of vanish for a second. You can finish doing what you're doing and then pop tab and you're back again, right? And you can also press F for full screen twice. So one gets rid of like the tabs and the rulers and stuff. One gets rid of everything. Now, but you can still, you can hit space. You can still, if you know your tools, you can just use the keyboard to select them. If you need, sometimes you just need all the tools to get out of the way. You're like, go away, come back later. So tab works, a quick one, and F if you really want to get intricate. And that's it. So hopefully those tips helped you. If they did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.